Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to invite your family member to Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and invite family members to Cash App. Maybe you have kids or maybe your spouse. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you're going to click onto Cash App. Next, on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on your profile icon. Then from here, you want to click on underneath favorites where it says family. So once you click on family, you just need to go ahead and click on invite a teen, or you can click on learn more. But as you can see, you can basically sponsor an account for anyone who's between 13 and 17 years old. They can set up their account in minutes, and it also can be used immediately with your approval. So with that being said, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite a family member to Cash App. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.